Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with exercise 9.5 homogeneous differential equation. Before going for homogeneous differential equation, we should know what are homogeneous functions. Homogeneous function is said to A function is said to be homogeneous if each term it has is of the same degree. Fx is equal to x square plus y square minus 5xy has degree 2 in of each term. Gx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus minus 3x square y plus 4xy square has all terms of degree 3. Homogeneous differential equation is of the form fx upon gx where fx and gx are having same degrees. For example, dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. You can see all terms of fx and all terms of gx are of the same degree, that is degree 1. dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon 3xy. Fx is x square plus y square has degree 2. Gx is equal to 3xy has degree 2. Method to solve homogeneous differential equation. To solve a homogeneous differential equation, we put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Let us see the first question, exercise 9.5. dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x. Put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now in place of dy by dx, put v plus x dv by dx, and on the right hand side where you see y, we put vx. Take x common. After cancelling x, we get 1 plus v on the right hand side. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v. V and v are cancelled on both the sides. So we are left with integral of dv is equal to dx upon x. V is equal to log modulus x plus c. Now y is equal to vx, so v is equal to y upon x. In place of v, let us equate y upon x. We get the answer y is equal to x log modulus x plus cx. X dy by dx minus y plus x sin y upon x is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x minus x sin y upon x. Y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So what do we get? V plus x dv by dx is equal to vx upon x minus sin vx upon x. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus sin v. dv upon sin v is equal to minus dx upon x, or or cosec v dv is equal to minus dx upon x. Log cosec v minus cot v is equal to minus log x plus log k. Log cosec y minus x minus cot y upon x is equal to log k upon x. We know the rule log a minus log b is equal to log a upon b. Log and log get cancelled out. We get cosec y upon x minus cot y upon x is equal to k upon x. So x bracket cosec y upon x minus cot y upon x is equal to k. Third question is 1 plus e x upon y dx plus e x upon y bracket 1 minus x upon y dy equal to 0. Dx upon dy is ex upon y minus 1 upon ex upon y plus 1. In place of x we put vy and dx upon dy is v plus y dv upon dy. So v plus y dv upon dy is equal to ev bracket v minus 1 upon ev plus 1. Let us separate it as VEV upon EV plus 1 minus EV upon EV plus 1. Now the V on the left hand side is brought on the right hand side. Take LCM, we get VEV minus EV minus VEV minus V. This EV and VEV plus and minus VEV minus get cancelled out. We take minus common, we get y dv by dy is equal to minus bracket v ev plus v upon ev plus 1. Integral ev plus 1 upon ev plus v dv is equal to minus dy upon y. Again log ev plus v is equal to minus log y plus log k. The constant term we are taking in log. Again rule of derivative rule, that is division rule, log a minus log b is equal to log a upon b is applied. This becomes log k upon y. So log and log get cancelled out. We are left with ev plus v is equal to k upon y. In place of v we put x upon y. We get ex upon y plus x upon y is equal to k upon y. Answer is y ex upon y plus x is equal to k. Fourth question. Find particular solution of dy by dx minus y upon x plus cosec y upon x is equal to 0. Y is 0 when x is 1. Now dy by dx is equal to y upon x minus cosec y upon x. Putting y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, we get v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx upon x minus cosec v upon vx upon x is equal to v minus cosec v. V plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus cosec v. X dv by dx is equal to minus cosec v, that is minus 1 upon sin v. Now minus sin integral of minus sin v dv is equal to integral dx upon x. Now integral of sin v is minus cos v, so minus minus becomes plus cos v log modulus x plus k, where v is equal to y upon x. So put the value of v, we get cos y upon x is equal to log modulus x plus k. Put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 0. We know that cos 0 is 1 and log 1 is 0. So k is coming 1 and we get the answer cos y upon x is equal to log modulus x plus 1. Fifth question. 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx is 0, x is 1 and y is equal to 2. 2x square dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square. Dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square upon 2x square. dy by dx is equal to y upon x plus half y square upon x square. Put y is equal to vx. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. X v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx upon x plus half v square x square upon x square. We are left with v plus half v square. Put v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus half v square. V and v get cancelled out. X dv by dx is equal to half v square. 2 dv upon v square is equal to integral dx upon x. 2v to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 is log modulus x plus c. Minus 2 upon v is log modulus x plus c. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. V comes 2 upon 1, 2. So in place of v, we can put 2 also. So we get minus 2 upon 2 log 1 plus c. We know log 1 is 0, so c is 2 upon 2 minus 1. So minus 2 upon y minus 2x upon y is equal to log modulus x minus 1, or 1 minus 2x upon y is equal to log modulus x is the solution. The next topic is linear differential equation. The form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is the form of linear differential equation. If a differential equation is in this form, it is considered as linear differential equation, where p and q are constants or function of x. Method to solve is: point number 1, find integrating factor I is equal to e to the power integral p dx. Solution is y into I is equal to integral q into I dx plus c. We need to note that e to the power log fx is equal to fx. We will use it in the questions. First question, exercise 9.6. Find the general solution of dy by dx is equal to 3y is equal to e to the power minus 2x. In this we can see, compare it with py is equal to q. So p is 3 and q is e to the power minus 2x. The integrating factor I, you can see, is clearly e to the power integral p dx, that is 3 dx 3x. Y into I is equal to integral q into I dx. Y into e3x is equal to integral e3x minus 2x. The power of e becomes 3x minus 2x, only single x, and integral of ex is ex only. So we get y e3x is equal to ex plus c. Now take e to the power 3x and divide the right side by e to the power 3x, that is multiply by e to the power minus 3x. We get y is equal to e minus 3x into ex plus c e to the power minus 3x. Y is equal to e minus 3x plus c e minus 3x. Y is equal to e minus 2x plus c e minus 3x is the solution of linear differential equation. Second question is dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to x square. If we compare it with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, we get p is 1 upon x and q is x square. Integrating factor for this equation is I is equal to e to the power 1 upon x dx. We know that integral of 1 upon x is log x and e to the power log x is x. I is equal to x and q is equal to x square. Put in the solution, y into I is equal to q into I dx plus c. Y into x is equal to integral x square into x dx plus c. Y into x is equal to x cube dx. Let us integrate x4 upon 4 plus c. What do we get? Divide by x, we get y is equal to x4 upon 4x plus c upon x. On solving, we get y is equal to x cube upon 4 plus c upon x. Third question, find the particular solution 1 plus x square dy by dx is equal to 2xy is equal to plus 2xy is equal to 1 upon x square. We are given x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. dy by dx plus 2x upon 1 plus x square y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. P is 2x upon 1 plus x square. Q is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Integrating factor is I is equal to e to the power integral p dx, that is e to the power integral 2x dx upon 1 plus x square. We know the integral of e to the power of 2x upon 1 plus x square is log 1 plus x square. Considering 1 plus x square as t and 2x dx as dt, it becomes dt upon t log t, that is log of the denominator log 1 plus x square. E and log get cancelled out, we get I is 1 plus x square. Here I is 1 plus x square, q is 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Solution is y into I is equal to integral q into I dx plus c. Let us multiply y and I, that is y 1 plus x square is equal to integral 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square multiplied by 1 plus x square. On cancellation we get 1 upon 1 plus x square. So y 1 plus x square is equal to integral dx upon 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse x plus c. Y 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 0. We get the left side 0 and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So c is going to be minus pi by 4. So put the value of c, we get the answer of the differential equation. Y 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x minus pi by 4. Fourth question, dy by dx plus 2y dy tan x is equal to sin x. So x is pi by 3 and y is 0. Let us consider p is equal to 2 tan x and q sin x. Integrating factor I is e to the power integral p dx, that is 2 tan x. We know the integral of tan x is log sec x. If number is outside, then it goes in the power. 2 is outside, so 2 will come in the power. It becomes e log sec square. E and log get cancelled out. We get I is equal to sec square. Q is equal to sin x. Solution is y into I is equal to q into I dx. Then y into sec square x is equal to integral sec x into sec square x dx. Now one of the sec x is used by with sin x as 1 upon cos x. We get y into sec square x is equal to integral sin x upon cos x into sec x, that is tan x and sec x. Sec x tan x as integral sec x. So we get the solution y sec square x is equal to sec x plus c. Put x is equal to pi by 3 and y is 0. So left side becomes 0 and sec pi by 3 is 2. We get the value of c minus 2. Y into sec square x is equal to sec x minus 2. Sec square x is 1 upon cos square x. Sec x is 1 upon cos x minus 2. Multiply cos square x on right hand side, we get y is equal to cos square x upon cos x minus 2 cos square x. That is y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x. Students, these are very simple questions. I hope you are able to understand it. Please do them in your copy. Stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you.